What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can go and create a new wallet on Phantom Wallet. Now to do this, the process is really simple and quick. Just follow all the steps I'll show you guys in this video. Now to download Phantom Wallet, simply go to Play Store and download it right away. Now after you're done downloading it, we will go and open it. Wait a few seconds here. Now here it will ask you to import a already existing wallet, but we will go and create a new one because we don't have one before. Now here you need to protect your wallet as every other e-wallet does. Now to do this, we will just go and hit this on, choose your fingerprinter and hit next. Now after you're done with the recovery phase, your wallet would be all set up. We will just go and hit get started. And there it is. You can go and see the interface of your wallet. Now there are a couple of things you can go and check out on your newly created wallet. For example, if we go here to receive, we will get the address, different addresses we can use to deposit these coins in this wallet. Other than that, we can go and send coins from this wallet to another exchange. Now there are a couple of options we can explore here. We can go and check our account settings from here. Now there is only one wallet here we have created. We can add and connect another wallet as well. We can also head over to settings. We can head over to security and privacy, where we can increase our wallet privacy. You can also head over to preferences, where we can go and select the language we want to display, and we can also select the default currency. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope this video was useful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.